Alright friends, today we are going to draw a rain boot.
Yeah, with spring flowers inside. We hope you're going to follow along because art is always better with
friends.
Yeah, friends like you. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
We're using a marker to draw with, but you can use a pencil or even a crayon. Let's start by drawing the back of our rain boot. We're going to draw a line coming down, and I'm also drawing it a little to the left, but not too far over. That way the boot can be right in the middle. Then we're going to draw another line right next to it, well, over here, but I'm going to draw it shorter, about half the distance down. Then we can draw the top of our rain boot. I'm going to connect the top. And we can also draw another line to match right below it. Okay, now let's draw the toes of our rain boot. I'm going to curve down from this line, come out, and then we'll curve down. And then it should be really close to the same distance down. Yeah, and then let's connect the bottom with a curve or a straight line. Then let's extend the sole down a little further, and we can connect those two lines together too. And then let's also give our rain boot some tread. So I'm going to draw another short line there and also a short line here for the heel. And then we can draw another one right here and another one here. Then let's connect the back heel and also the front. This is the tread, so let's add little texture lines. I'm going to draw 2 upside down V's for the heel, and then we can add however many you can fit in on the front. I added 3. Now let's also add a funny face to our rain boot. I'm going to draw a funny W for the mouth, and also I'm going to draw open, so really happy rain boot, and a tongue inside. Yeah, and then let's also draw a circle for the left and right eye to match. And then I'll also like add in the highlight, so a smaller circle in the top left, and color in the big circle. And you could also add eyelashes. I'm going to draw eyebrows. And if our art friends need more time, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, especially if you want to catch up or add more details to your drawing. Now, what is our rain boot missing?
All the flowers.
Yeah, the spring flowers. Let's draw little ones right here on the front. I'm going to draw 3 circles. Well, let's start with 1 circle, and then we can draw the petals going around that circle. And then let's repeat that same step for 3 more flowers. So I'm going to draw 1 there, and then 1 more here for 3. Then we can also draw the stems connecting to the boot. Let's draw these same flowers, but a little bigger right above. I'm going to draw 1 here, and then we'll draw petals really big going around that circle. And then maybe 1 more further over here. Then we can draw a stem connecting that into the boot also. Now let's draw some tulips. I'm going to draw the letter U right in between these 2 big ones. And then we can draw a curve coming down to connect here, and then also a curve connecting there. And we could also draw the center with a little upside down V. Let's draw the stem coming down and connecting into the boot too. Okay, let's add 2 more of those tulips. I'm going to draw it sticking out over this way and tipping it a little more. You could also draw the diagonal line going this direction to mix it up, and then a shorter one here, and then an upside down V. And then let's connect it into the boot too. Let's add one more tulip, bending and pointing out further. This one maybe is more narrow. It doesn't have to be the same size as everything else, but I'm going to repeat the same steps to finish the petals. And then this stem is really curved going into the boot. Let's do one more tulip, but going this direction to balance out our flowers. Just repeat the same steps. So I'm going a lot faster. So our friends can pause the video if you need that extra time. You can also add as many flowers as you want. You could add even more. Oh, let's do small ones. Small, little, kind of look like tulips. But I'm just going to draw a little V at the top and then a stem connecting it in. Let's do some that are hanging down really far. So they're bending down here. I'm going really fast. And we're going to curve these stems into the bottom or the top of the boot. I like these little flowers. Let's add one on this side. And maybe I'm going to draw two that are up here also, but I'm going to bend them down even though they're up higher. Yeah, and then the stem could curve out like this and then into the boot. What else should we add to our flowers?
Leaves.
Oh yeah, we're missing the leaves. Let's draw one sticking out right here. And I'm just going to draw through the stems. And we can draw one sticking out over here too. And I'm going to draw them in the background. So we can draw some zigzag lines back behind the flowers. It's a little confusing, but once we color everything green and pink and yellow, it'll make more sense. Let's do one more type of leaf. We're going to come out with a curve first. And then at the very end, add a leaf. And then we'll draw that same shape leaf on the left side and also on the right side. Let's do that two more times going down that stem. So a leaf on the left and on the right, and then one more. Let's add one of those leaves over here too. I'm going to draw curving out of the boot. Then we can add that leaf at the end. And then one on each side going all the way down the stem. Teryn, we did it. We finished drawing our little rain boot with flowers, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, it's gonna look so much better all colored in. This part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Teryn, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our rain boots and spring flowers, and they turned out awesome. What was your favorite part?
Drawing the leaves.
Oh, I like the leaves too. I also added extra things like water, and I like a rosy cheeks.
And our art friends could even add a background.
That would complete the drawing.
We hope you had fun drawing spring flowers.
We did. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.